Okay, I'm going to try to show this scissor lift remote wiring in a condensed version or just a quick video. And to start, I'll just explain that you've got this harness, 9-pin harness, and there's actually a 10th wire that acts as a ground to the chassis, and it's separate of that 9-wire harness. And this 9-wire harness routes up to the deck through the scissors, and there's where it's coming out at top there. And I've got like a chassis ground brown wire. Oddly, they use the black for like a certain direction. I can't remember. But essentially, you're sending red is your 24 volts positive, and it's being sent to the remote up above. And then each of these other colors, orange, white, these are the 24 volt return, and they go into, they go into the let's see here. Well, they primarily, we've got the 2 speed valves in the back, and we've got the 6 valves here for up, down, left, right, forward, backwards. And so these are the hydraulic solenoids. So let's go up top. So that's 24 volts up to the top. And so what we're going to do here is, I'll show you in just a second. We're going to run the red wire is going to come into the emergency. I don't have a key or anything. It's just into the emergency shut off, and then splits off into this off, and then drive or lift. And then from there, if you have it in drive, it works the remote. If you have it in lift, it works the up, down, and it's on, so I need to cut that off. Let's flip it over. Okay. So real quick, run through this. Okay, so like I said, and this is a junk harness. This is a cheap. This is a cheap $1 per foot 9-wire harness. These harnesses are generic, just 9-wire, color coded, and don't get a cheap one like this, because this is just junk, cheapy insulation, cheap wire. There's a nicer wire harness you can get for like $6 or $9 a foot. This is like the $1 or $2 per foot harness, 9-wire harness. So red wire comes in from below, goes to the emergency shutoff, breaks out, goes to the up, down, or it goes to the lift or the drive, depending on how you toggle it. And if you put it in drive, it should go the opposite. And so drive will come over here, 24 volts into your remote. So here we've got, power coming in. I'm sorry, I have to, power, and then black is left. Green with black stripe is right. This is supposed to be orange, and it is reverse. Blue is forward. Then we got red with black stripe is second gear, second speed, or first speed valve, but second gear. And then we've got white with black stripe is third. This activates your third speed valve. And these had diodes, one-way diodes on them, and originally, and I assume they're going out. I can't remember. I just duplicated what was there when I rewired it. Real quick, my chassis ground I've got coming in. I've got a chassis ground that came with a remote going to here, and then I've got it tied in with the ground to the chassis. And this thing has bit me before, so somehow there's 24 volts getting redistributed to the ground. And it would have been better if it would have been part of the harness coming up here, but we won't worry about that. That's not how this is done. So going back to the switch, I'm going to switch from drive to lift, which is going to send it through this wire, and then we get our toggle switch for up and down, and then we got green and white, and I can't remember which was up and which is down. I guess I'll say it backwards, but I'm going to assume white is up. Probably not, maybe green. Anyway, we can go down and look at the bottom. But that's basically how this works, and there's really not much more I can think to say about it. So hopefully this helps somebody out.